Because Jim is working very hard, the nervous system is telling his limbs to keep going. It also tells his heart to keep beating, and his body to try and slow down so it doesn't tire himself. When he pushes himself harder and his body is hot, the nervous system makes the body sweat. It makes him breathe so he has oxygen, and it controls all those organs to keep homeostasis.
The respiratory and circulatory systems work closely together. During his rowing and physical exertion, an increase in the heart rate stimulates a higher breathing rate in Joe's lungs. Though the frequency of breath and the beating of the heart both decrease, they are still above Jim's regular rates. During his physical exertion, the muscles are working harder and the demand for oxygen in the body is higher, as oxygen is needed to burn calories. His faster breathing rate is caused by more oxygen needed by the working muscles. His body temperature rises in this state of the race, and neural signals are sent to the muscles for an increased breathing rate. The need for more removal of carbon dioxide in the blood and the lessening of blood sugar in the body also cause increased breathing. With a slight dip in his effort, Joe's body signals him to prolong and lessen his breaths and decrease his heart rate moderately in an effort to maintain homeostasis. His rates are not decreased entirely, though, because of his continued physical exertion. At the halfway point, due to his 20% drop in power, Jim's heart rate goes down 21 beats per minute. In the circulatory system, the blood vessels are expanding and the muscles are pushing back blood to the heart at faster rates in order to maintain homeostasis. At this point of the race, some of the blood being pumped throughout the body travels to the lungs to get rid of carbon dioxide and oxygen used through the physical effort. Because of his decreasing heart rate, he is beginning to closer reach his normal heart rate. And we can see that his body is trying to bring his heart rate back to the normal rate.
His muscular system when he rows the boat. In the beginning, he rows using his full strength to row 39 strokes per minute. At the halfway point, he uses 80% of his strength, rowing 34 strokes per minute. Jim is using his muscular system to row the boat, like the trapezius, biceps, flexor carpi vulnarius, and the quadriceps. When Jim's body starts to heat up, he starts to sweat to cool his body down.
As for the endocrine system, it releases hormones which tell the body what to do. While the endocrine system doesn't do any of the actions itself, it controls the other systems by using the pituitary gland to order the other systems to do their jobs in keeping homeostasis. Working hard for Jim, trying to continuously sweat to cool down the body. His kidneys are filtering his blood, making sure his chemical balance doesn't go awry. Although many people think of the lungs as part of different systems, the lung also takes part of the excretory system. For Jim, his constant breathing means he's releasing carbon dioxide and water vapor every time he breathes.